For those who are new to the channel, I share videos and tutorials here on YouTube, and you can find free high-resolution photo references on my Patreon site. If you like what I do and you want to support me, you can show your love over at Patreon. So, I think I've been stuck in this house for the past 3 months. I miss going out. I recorded this vlog before lockdown happened, and I totally forgot about it. It was a pleasant surprise when I came upon the file, and here we go. My friend had a little clay work exhibition. I really wanted to support her, so we paid her a quick visit, and I also bought this little coaster from her that she made. With every vlog, I must apologize for the video quality, especially the audio for this one. The scene for this particular video is a little bit noisy given the cafe atmosphere. I'm really hoping to upgrade some equipment so I can improve the quality, especially when lockdown is lifted. I really like to take you guys places. You can help contribute by pledging over at Patreon so I can upgrade some equipment in the future. Link is down below in the video description, and without further ado, let's go. Hey guys, we're gonna go to Dark Fox's place and then we'll go to the mini exhibition. I think it's really exciting because she does porcelain and I don't know many artists that does. I think it's really unique. So I think we're gonna go check her out, show her some support, and see you there. Dark Fox is driving now and we are in Kota Damansara already. So we finally found Wu Cafe. It took us like a few rounds just to find out where it is. Apparently it's the second story above the hair lab. And the thing about Kota Damansara, parking is so terrible bad. Trying to find a parking here, you gotta be really lucky, and we were really lucky. So now we're gonna go in and check it out. I've never been to this place. I didn't even know it existed, so this will be interesting. Okay, so here we are. Up there. Yeah, so like hipster. You have seats. You have to like walk up the stairs. Interesting. So the exhibition is in the back. Hello, I'm making a vlog, so yes. This is the beautiful artist behind all this. It's so cool.
This pen then combined with clay, then become like the material also pen on it, then doing some pattern for it. So this one is do before biscuit firing, for any firing not before. Okay, if you already done firing, you can do the curving part.
So you have to color first, then go back to the fire.
Yeah.
Then like that you can put food on it. And,
Yes. If not, if you didn't put the transparent glaze, actually it's not so okay for using for tableware. Not easy to clean, and sometimes the oil will stick again.
That's true.
Like the curry stand, then you cannot. Curry stand is really not easy to clean.
This one is so cute.
Yeah, actually this one is like degree graduation.
Oh really?
Yeah.
This one is from the, oh my god, what's the art one that you joined, right?
Actually I'm graphic design, and this one actually is my final project. I'm using ceramic to show my idea.
So cute.
Because also it's like last time from the college I'm also already learning the ceramic, so I just like apply it on my degree.
So how much are you selling all these? Like all of them very different
Oh,
price.
it's different.
Yeah.
I saw the price at the bottom, so I got this notice.
Of course. Yeah. They look so pretty. I don't remember seeing this or that one in the exhibition.
For the last time exhibition, these two didn't have lah. I think I bring this one and another teapot.
I really like that one. I really like the flower thing going on. Like it looks very nice.
Thank you. I think this one is lavender.
Oh yeah. Oh my god, this one got a squirrel. So cute. Oh my god.
5 didn't, at least 6 didn't have the hanging part. This one also didn't have. If you need, then I can stick for you.
Oh, okay.
Because the flower collection there all from the
So it's like mostly for display.
yeah, mostly for display. If you want to use it, also can. It's still tableware set.
That's all for today. If you like my video, it would really help if you hit that like and subscribe button and share it to all your friends who you might think might find it helpful. I would like to take this time to thank my patrons, my wonderful patrons, for always helping me throughout the years. Your contribution has meant a lot for the channel, and to me, thank you. I share videos, tutorials, and reference photos for artists to use, and if you'd like to support me and help make all this sustainable, you can help by pledging over at Patreon. You can also join my Discord server where I'm trying to build a wholesome community, and you can also follow me on Twitch where you can get notified for when I go live, and I usually do my artwork in real time, and you can ask me anything over there. All links are down below in the video description, and that's all for today. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!